Hello everybody. Does your 2007 to 2013 MDX have the following lights, including the trailer stability assist, the VSA, the super handling all-wheel drive, and ABS lights? Does your shifter knob also perhaps get stuck in park sometimes when trying to put the vehicle in drive? Then your problem is most likely a faulty brake pedal position switch, and I'm going to show you how to replace this on my 2008 Acura MDX. The part number for this switch is 36750-TR2-A01, and this part will fit in all the MDXs from 2007 to 2013. First, we just need to get a panel out of the way. You'll see right here, there's a little churning knob. We're gonna churn that, and then this part will come loose. Over here, there's a little pull tab. Pull it straight down, and out comes the panel. Then we'll just disconnect these two electrical connectors. With that panel out of the way, we'll follow the brake pedal up, and there is the old switch we need to replace. So we'll start by disconnecting the electrical connector from that as well. To remove the old switch, all we need to simply do is rotate it 45 degrees, and then we should be able to pull it straight up and out. You can see the new brake pedal position switch comes with a new white little clip. The old green one is not compatible with the new one, so we have to take the green one out and put the white one in. You can see there are just a couple little tabs on the sides of the old clip. Just push those in with the screwdriver from underneath and it comes right out. Then we can take the new clip and just press it right down in place. When putting your new brake pedal position sensor switch back in, make sure you have the clip side oriented towards the right, which is the same orientation we took it out. Then we can put it in the new clip, slides down in there, and then we want to press it in so the little black switch knob is all the way pressed in. Rotate the switch 45 degrees until it clicks in place, and you should be all set with putting it back in place. Easy as that. Then we can put our electrical connector back here, back on the switch. Now we can take the panel and we can reconnect the two electrical connectors there. So let's put it in place. Guide that on a little notch there. Guide that in through there. Push the push tab in through there. And then we can take our little churning knob and reconnect it. Easy as that. One more little test before we take our car for a drive. We just want to ensure that the brake lights turn on when we press the brake pedal and that they turn off when we release the brake pedal. So let's give it a quick test. On, off, on, off. Looks like it's working pretty good to me. Now we'll take the car for a test drive. Make sure that those VSA, trailer stability assist, all-wheel drive, and ABS lights don't come back on, and we shall have fixed the problem. And there you have it, everybody. We're all finished. A pretty short and easy repair, but a pretty common one that's needed amongst these MDXs. So if you found this video helpful, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button. It certainly helps me out a lot. And consider subscribing to the channel, where you're going to find a bunch of other videos just like this one showing you how to fix your car. Also check out the description, where I'm going to be posting links to parts used in this video, as well as additional information and timestamps to better navigate through the video. Also feel free to leave a comment or ask a question. I'm pretty good at getting back to people. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and take care.